everyone. So this is me, Jason, and today we're going to discuss about engineering mathematics algebra. So let's start. So our problem here is Lisa thought she had the exact money to buy 10 chocolate bars. However, the price per bar had increased by 50 centavos. Consequently, she was able to buy only 8 bars and had 2 pesos left. How much money did Lisa have? So, okay. So, so, so let x is equal to price of 1 chocolate bar. Then, yung unang problem nga, Lisa thought she had the exact money to buy 10 chocolate bars. So ang y nato diri is equal to 10x. And then, ano pa siya diri? Nga the price per bar had increased by 50 centavos or 0.50. And she was able to buy only 8 bars and had 2 pesos left. So, ang atong quandary, ang atong equation is mahimo siya y is equal to 8 times x plus 0.50 plus 2 pesos left plus 2. Then, pagkahuman na to, ato dayon i-substitute ang y. So, atong y diri is mahimo na siya og 10x. So, butaw na to siya og 10x is equal to 8 times x plus 0.50 plus 2. And then, i-substitute dayon na to ang second equation. So, mao na tong second equation. And then, so, mahimo na siya og 10x is equal to 8 times x is equal to 8x plus 8 times 0.50 is 4. So, 4 tibutan dire. Plus 2. So, pag humana to ana, og simplify, so 10x is equal to 8x plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So, and then, pag human, isolve dayon na to ang x. So, mahimo na siya o solve for x. So, solve for x. So, 10x minus 8x is equal to 6. So, 10 minus 8x is equal to 2x. Is equal to 6. And then, x is equal to 3. Then, pagkahuman ana, i-substitute dayon ang i-substitute ang x is equal to 3 sa og ang y is equal to 10x. So substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 10x. So, yun mo siyang y is equal to 10 times 3 is equal to 30. So, mo na yung answer. So, therefore, Lisa originally had 30 pesos. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all.